In this video, we will discuss adjusting the IOLS delay on a CP5 or CP5i control pad. The IOLS delay determines how long the handpiece light stays on after it is withdrawn from the holder without the foot control being pressed. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Enter the Settings menu. Scroll down to Equipment. Then to Delivery. Select Holder Configuration. Withdraw the handpiece you would like to reprogram. Scroll down to Adjust Settings. Select IOLS delay. Use the up and down arrows to adjust the time in seconds. Press Select to save the setting. Note this setting only applies to the current A or B user. Return the handpiece to the holder and press the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.